Hello again, welcome back everyone. Liquorhound here with you. Thank you for joining me once again for another spirit review video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tanqueray Malacca Gin. And let me tell you, there's a lot of history behind this gin. And pretty much the history is the people loved it and the distillery didn't produce it for whatever reason. It was actually originally released back in 1997. And the reason I think people fell in love with it was because back then there wasn't a whole lot of gins to choose from as far as, not typical London dry style. And that's what this was. It was atypical. It was less juniper, more citrus, a little sweeter profile. People loved it. 97 to 2001, it's around, it's selling out, people love it. 2001, it's discontinued. Okay, 2001 is gone. It is gone all the way until 2013 when they finally bring it back. After everybody is talking about it, people are writing about it in books, and 2013 it comes back for a limited edition. It sells out. And then we're without it again until roughly 2018 when it came back. 2018 it's coming back as a permanent edition. I want to say it's like in, I don't know, it's like 2 countries, not us, not in the United States. As permanent editions. For us, it's going to be in limited releases. I guess as we get it, they get it. But it comes in a 1-liter bottle. Retail price on it roughly around $36. Not a bad price. And we're going to go ahead and get to the nosing on it. And oh, the ABV. It's kind of an odd ABV. I want to say it's 41.3. Let's take a look at it. 41.3 ABV. So let's go ahead and see. On the nose. Wow. Oh my goodness. Citrus, lemon lime for sure, grapefruit pith, a little vanilla, a little juniper, a little cinnamon and clove and baking spices all in here. But boy, that citrus element that's dominating. Lemongrass. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's not just citrus oil heavy, it's a lemongrass element going on. Because it kind of reminds me of the sweetness of almost like a sugar cane, but I'm going to go with a sweetened, like a lemongrass element. Cardamom is in here. Really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the taste. Yeah, that's delicious. This is room temp. There's not a rock inside, and it's delicious. Oh, golly. All right, here we go. It is viscous. It's medium high viscosity. It enters, and you're just enveloped with citrus oils and vanilla. There is a vanilla tone to it. Lemongrass is definitely in there. Almost like a cucumber freshness going on. There's a little bit of that cinnamon, that baking spice element is kind of in there, but it's in the background. Almost like a cracked white pepper going on. Definitely lemongrass up front with those citrus oils. That vanilla tone. Yeah, that cracked white pepper, a little cinnamon. A little cardamom right there. And it just lingers, and all those things just linger. And again, the juniper is in there, but it's like such an afterthought, really. I mean, it's if you want to focus on it, you can focus on it. But that's not the highlight here. It's everything else up front. And all those sweet characteristics and the viscosity just rolling. Yeah, the viscosity, medium high, very creamy. Yeah, I mean, pretty much what I called already is what's in there and how it rolls. And the juniper, I think, is most noticeable on the back end. On the finish, lingering finish is where you notice that. But everything else is still trailing off as well. But you don't notice that juniper up front. It's that lemongrass, cucumber freshness, almost sugarcane sweetness with those that cracked white pepper and that citrus. It's just, yeah, it's amazing. Again, if you like gins that aren't just your, you know, stereotypical London dries, this is going to be a favorite of yours. If you like Hendrick's, this is going to be a favorite of yours. Monkey 47, which is over the top on the floral. This one has a little floral characteristic, kind of like a little lavender floralness to it throughout the whole thing. But it's, again, it's kind of like that juniper. It's underneath, and it's only noticeable when you actually really kind of think about it, focus on it. Fantastic. You're going to love this gin. I hope you can find a bottle out there on the shelves. If you see it and you're like, I don't know what that is, I'm not sure. Hopefully you've Googled it and found my video. And don't be afraid to pick it up. I mean, $36 for a liter of this gin. Amazing buy. Thank y'all for leaving those great comments. I will answer them just as soon as I can. Everybody keep following me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You'll find me under the Liquorhound name there. Thank y'all for watching. Everybody have a great evening, and cheers.